How to easily create or make a watermark in CapCut. So to start, what we need to do is to open our CapCut application and then in here tap on this create a project option. After that, we'll have to tap on this import option to import a video or a photo. So as an example, I'm just gonna select this one, tap on open, and then in here we'll have to tap on this plus sign. So to create a watermark, what we need to do is to tap on this text option. And then after that, we'll have to go here and then type our watermark. So as an example, I'm gonna use my username or my handle. So I'm just gonna type here aesthetic at 24. And then once I'm done with that, I'll just have to scroll down and then change the settings or font of my watermark. So I'm just gonna make this one bold. And then we'll just go to this spray styles option. And then since watermark should be slightly transparent, I'm just gonna choose this font style here. And then after that, I'm just gonna scroll down and go to this blend option. And then we'll have to lessen the opacity to 70%. And then after that, I'm just gonna go here and then move my watermark at the bottom part of the video so the viewers could watch the video without seeing the watermark at the center of the video. So I'm just gonna put it here. And then after that, I'll just go back here on my cursor. So as for me, I want my watermark to start at the same time with the video and also ends at the same time of the video. So as you can see here, I now have added a watermark on this video. So that's how easy you can create or make a watermark in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!